Yep. So here is a wolf pack that I just made, and basically every time I have one, I might start a video. Yeah. So yeah, this is pretty awesome. But not the awesome thing about it is everybody is not gray, black, or white. Sure. I mean, you're part of the wolf pack. Of course, why I would not buddy you. So, now, everyone say hi to the fans. Now, Jaru, can I join the pack? Now, finishing this buddy, yes, you can join the pack. You can. Yes. Not 7. I didn't put no 7. This is the odd thing about playing Animal Jam. My keyboard, it's like all messy up. I think it's the type of phone I have or what. I don't know. What? Okay, now. So we can, I guess, have a dance off of so we can have a dance off. Okay. Wait. Let me decorate my one more better. Let me put. Wait. Put a carrot cake on the table. Ugh, I can't see it. Zoom in. Okay, now. And a giant beach ball. Hey, get on it. Ah! Hello, who can stay on? Hello. Awesome. There we go. Oh, come on. Man, these small buttons. Ah, I gotta zoom in. Look at that. Look at that water tooth. Zoom in. Zoom. Come near me. Come near me. I will kill you. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, not important. Now for the magic. And the magic is I'ma prank them. Then I'm gonna take away the balloon. They're gonna fall off. Now I'm gonna get my LOL ready. LOL. The magic was a prank. Okay. Now that's ready. 3. Oh, come on, little buttons. Ugh. This is what it makes me do. Just had it. Man, I need a pen. There we go. Okay. LOL, the magic was a prank. Haha. How many people left? Oh, 3. Okay. I still don't care. Yes. Not yas. Yes. Yes. I eat. Yes. Okay. Ha. Ha 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 ha. Okay. Just us. Us. Okay. I guess it's just us. Me and you, fans. Buddies. Not sure. Magical skin. Oh, epic tin. Sapphire shop. Okay. Jamal Township. Rainbow Wolf. Rainbow Wolf is not a wolf right now. Well, yeah. Yeah, so I found the balloon. We did that. Okay. Let me roll this up. Come on. Oops. That's all I thought. It was a pet. Oh, put something. Not pink there. Who can stay on? Also, I'm I'm covered in dried food. I don't care. Now for the magic. The magic whisper. I still don't care. Hi, back. Okay, just us. Yep. Alright. That's the end. So, yeah. Packs are awesome. Because if you show how awesome you are, then they'll know how awesome you are, and you'll get more buddies like that. So that's kind of like a what's it called? Like a lesson, a little bit, but with fun. So I guess that's the end of this video, and I'll see ya after this trade probably. Let's see what this trade is gonna be. Oh no, sorry. Sorry. Is a give away to you YouTube has. I should say that it could accept someone or give me each other. What? That wouldn't. Okay. So I guess I learned now. I can't even say YouTube on Animal Jam. But anyways, that's the end, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya. No more trees, no more trees.